So in this short clip, I thought I'd show you something I've been using with my students. It's Key Stage 2, years 5, and this is just, it's called Rapid Router, and you can see the site. It's on the Code for Life site. You go in, you'll have 2 parts, play and educate. I've created the account. It's quite easy to do. You set the account up, you can follow the instructions on here, and once you've got yourself account, it's free. You log in, as I'm going to do now, and you get these options. I've then set up all my classes, as you can see here, and you can add students quite easily by copying and pasting from your Excel spreadsheet the usernames that you want. So you literally just paste them in there, add students, and you can add them. And then if you want to edit individuals later, that's fine. They each get a card. When you initially set it up, you can print out little cards which have their passwords on. Now obviously in remote learning, I've been putting their passwords in their private chats, so and giving them each their passwords and getting them set up. What's nice about it is once they get going, so you start off with the Rapid Router, and in here you've got a whole list of exercises. So you start off with the first basic exercises and they go through, and it's simple block coding. So you can see here, it gives you a little introduction, and then you go through it. And so I've got a little car here, I've got to move it to the direction, so you move it twice forward, and then you click play. And as you can, obviously I didn't do it right, so it says no, try again, and you work through the exercises, and then if you get this, you go to the next size and the next exercise, and so forth and so on. What I like about it is it's great, the kids love it, and it's got short clips and videos that they can watch about some core programming concepts. And obviously what I can then do is I can see how they're doing. I can look at their performance. So for example, I have my groups here, and on my groups I can say, okay, how are they all doing? And I can review results. I'll go select the levels, what I want to select, and you view the results. Make sure I pick the right class. I've got that, yeah. So you get here and you can see straight away how each student's doing. And what I like about it is you can get the different levels that they've completed, at what points, at what times, and what score they got in each. And you can see straight away who, you know, the different achievers in the group. And it keeps them, you know, motivated and working through. So I kind of quite like it. It works well for perhaps half term, and then you can interject it with some key ideas and little tests and things. I use Kahoot for that and did some little tests on them. So I think it's a pretty good, and considering it's free, it's a pretty good site. So that's my evaluation of it. See what you think. Yeah.